Okay, so now we are on the page number 70 and this is the second video of this chapter. Now here time to answer जो हमने पढ़ा है उसी के ही you get fill in the blank. So time to answer, like give an example for each of the following. Wild animals, so आपको each of the following के एक example देना है. So in wild animals you can write lion, tiger, aquatic animal, fish and seahorse, domestic animals, dog, cat, big animals, giraffe and elephant you can write. So this is like you have to give examples. Now come on the eating habits of animal. ठीक है, different animals eat different kind of food. Once, okay, different animals eat different kinds of food. Squirrel, rat and rabbits have long, sharp and flat front teeth to grow seeds and fruits. So squirrels, rat and rabbits have long sharp teeth. उनके बहुत flat और sharp teeth होते हैं. So they can take the food and eat it. जैसे they can eat seeds and fruits. A giraffe has a long neck to reach the branches of tall trees. The long neck helps giraffe to eat tender leaves at the top of the trees. So everyone knows that giraffe has a very long neck. तो जो भी बड़ी बड़ी branches पे all the leaves which are having, they can eat it. Okay, giraffe has like very long neck, so they reach those branches, and when they can reach those big branches, and then they can tear the food and they can eat from there, है ना. Now, cow and buffalo first swallow their food and later on chew it for hours. This is known as chewing the cud. ठीक है, so जो cow and buffaloes everyone see, we all have seen cow and buffaloes, they take so much of time in chewing their food. So what they do, they first swallow it, वो पहले गटक जाती है and then they chew the food, है ना. ओके, तो जो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज नो एज चुइंग द कर्ड. तो कर्ड का मीनिंग यहाँ पे जो है, कर्ड मीन्स पार्टली डाइजेस्टेड फूड रिटर्न फ्रॉम द स्टमक ऑफ द सम एनिमल्स टू देयर माउथ फॉर फर्दर चुइंग. ओके, सो कर्ड का मीनिंग ये है यहाँ पे, आई विल टेल यू इन हिंदी दैट फर्स्ट जो काव है वो अपना फूड स्वेलो कर देती है, गटक जाती है, वो स्टमक में जाता है, फिर स्टमक से वापस जो है स्टमक से रिटर्न होके वापस मुंह में आता है, एंड देन दे च्यू द फूड. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ काउज एंड बफेलोज chewing food process works. Lizard and frogs have long sticky tongues so that insect can stick to it easily. So if we have seen the tongue of lizard and frog, and it is very long also. They whatever the insects they see, they catch it and eat it. An elephant uses its trunk to break the branches of the trees. जो ट्रंक होता है एलिफेंट का, वो ब्रेक करता है ब्रांच टू ईट. An earthworm has a hole-like mouth. It eats mud. So earthworm eats mud. Animals like cats and dogs have very sharp teeth which help them to tear their food. So this is how animals eat. है ना. Now what in which categories they are classified, we will study that. So there are 4 categories. Okay, herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So the herbivorous are these animals eat grass and other animals. So those who eat only grass and veg food, that is herbivorous. So इसमें कौन कौन आते हैं, cow, deer, goat, elephant. And then we have carnivorous. These elephants eat flesh of their other animals. They depend on their animals for their food. For example, lion, tiger and cheetah. So carnivorous is something who eats only flesh. Okay, so वो सिर्फ flesh खाते हैं. तो and they are dependent on other animals. ओके, दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर एनिमल्स की हम दूसरे एनिमल को खाएंगे तभी हमारा पेट भरेगा. तो इसमें कौन आता है, we all know that lion, tiger and cheetah, they all eat other animals. So these animals comes in carnivorous. Then we have omnivorous. Omnivorous are those जो दोनों खाते हैं, plants and animals दोनों. So for example, bear, crow, rat and cockroach, ये दोनों खाते हैं, plant भी खाते हैं. You can see them eating plant and eating animals also. And eating any. So these animals eat plants and animal. For example, bear, crow, rat, cockroaches. Now, um, scavengers. These animals eat flesh of dead animals. For example, vulture and hyena. ठीक है, so scavengers are those जो animals, these animals eat the flesh of dead animals. जो dead animals होते हैं, okay, they are not alive anymore. So whenever they see a dead animal, they eat it. So इसमें कौन आते हैं? Vulture and hyena. So there are 4 categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers. So herbivores eats plants only, carnivorous eats flesh only, and then omnivorous eat both plants and animal, and scavengers eat flesh of dead animals. Okay, now come to the page number 71. Okay, this is the page number 71. Now you have to classify the following animals as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. So this is your homework. Okay, I'm writing HLA. It's very easy, you can do it. These are the animals given है ना, above the box, to over the box. So you can see the all animals are written here, and you have to classify. Suppose I am giving an example like cow. What cow eats? Cow eats only plants and grass, so it will come in a herbivorous. And then cheetah only eats flesh, so it will come in a carnivorous. And then we have omnivorous. We have like bear is an omnivorous, and no, sorry, dog is an omnivorous, because they eat plant. They don't eat plant, but they eat flesh, and they eat veg also. Like you can see them eating biscuits and all. So they will come in omnivores. Okay, so home of animals. Animals are found everywhere. Some of them live on land, and some live in water, and some fly in the air. So animals found everywhere. तो some कुछ कहाँ रहते हैं? लैंड पे रहते हैं, कुछ वाटर में रहते हैं, और कुछ एयर में रहते हैं. सो अ मंकी लिव्स इन अ ट्री. अ लायन लिव्स इन अ डेन मतलब गुफा जैसा. केव भी बोलते हैं. A bird makes a nest to live in. Okay, so you can see the nest, here you can see the den, and here you can see a tree. Turn the page and come to the page number 72. Okay, a honeybee lives in a hive. So this is called hive. अपन हिंदी में इसको छत्ता बोलते हैं. ठीक है, मधुमक्खी का छत्ता ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. तो honeybee lives in a hive. A dog lives in a kennel. Okay, this is a kennel. And a horse live in a stable. Cows and buffalo are kept in a shed. This is the shed. Okay, so this is their home. Here they live. Okay, so now time to answer. 72 page number. Cow lives in a shade. Dog live in a where they live. They live in a kennel. Honeybee lives in hive. Lion lives in den, and monkey lives on tree. Okay, so this is the time to answer we have did. So half of the half chapter is done, and other half I will teach you in the next class. So have a nice day. Watch the video carefully, understand the chapter, and if you have any problem, contact me. Okay.